A series of tip sheets have been developed to support evidence-based practices in Wisconsin's Birth to 3 program. Tip sheets are designed to promote a common understanding, as well as create a common language. Coaching practices reflect the interaction style used between interventionists and families and interventionists with other team members. The tip sheet offers this definition: an evidence-based adult learning strategy that is used to build the capacity of a parent or colleague to improve existing abilities, develop new skills, and gain a deeper understanding of his or her practices for use in current and future situations. Next, you'll find some important things to know about coaching practices in Part C Early Intervention. For example, essential components of evidence-based coaching include observation, including parent, child, and interventionist, demonstration with explanation, caregiver practice, reflection, feedback, and intentional partnering and planning, or joint planning. It's also important to know that national organizations representing the major disciplines providing services in Part C early intervention have supported coaching as an effective strategy for increasing outcomes for infants and toddlers. Be sure to check out what IDEA has to say about using intervention services that are scientifically based on research, and what the Wisconsin Administrative Code has to say about early intervention services, including general conditions and role of providers. A link to the Birth to 3 program operations guide is offered for your convenience. We'd encourage you to look at Chapter 10, Early Intervention Services, particularly Chapter 10.2 on Primary Coach Approach to Teaming, or otherwise known as the Primary Service Provider Approach. Program benefits are provided for your review, as well as considerations for using coaching practices in Part C Early Intervention. For example, documentation. How does the documentation of the coaching conversation help the coach and caregiver to understand what happened during the activity and identify a plan for the next visit and the time in between visits? And multiple caregivers and settings. How are coaching conversations shared with caregivers who are not present during a coaching visit? How does the team apply coaching practices in the different settings where a child and caregiver interact, including home, childcare, and community? Your team's review and consideration of the various tip sheet components provides an opportunity to create a common understanding and common language among your team. As always, reach out to Resource for professional development needs and feel free to submit a PD request if you have any specific questions.